What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about some common volleyball misconceptions I don't quite understand, but they are out there. Let's get right into it. Know me, my name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my whole channel is dedicated to volleyball and tips, tricks, hacks, all of that funny stuff. I just love volleyball. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload. So if you're new to playing volleyball or you've been playing volleyball a while, you've probably heard of some of these misconceptions that are just floating around on the internet, on Instagram, on memes. I made some videos about them, but we're gonna talk about some of them and we're going to put them to rest. Number one, you have to be really tall to play volleyball. That is a lie. Now, I have a lot of people who message me saying, well, I'm kind of short, I'm like 5'2", 5'3", can I play volleyball in college? Absolutely, honey, absolutely. Volleyball is not a height-specific sport. Whilst we do see a lot of players that are super tall, myself included, there are a lot of players who are a little bit shorter. But don't let that stop you. Don't let that stop you at all. In another video, Volleyball Rules Explained, most of the time, people who are really tall play in the front row, and then people who are a little bit shorter play in the back row. Because for me, I'm 5'9", for me to bend all the way down to dig a ball takes forever. Versus somebody who's 5'2", who's just done. Just quick and easy. Number two, only women can play volleyball. This is so untrue. If you're on YouTube, which you are right now, you've probably seen all these other volleyball videos and highlight films and tapes going around of professional men's and beach men's and stuff like that. Men do play volleyball. It's just here in the United States where I'm at, men's volleyball is not as popular in grade school, but it is becoming more popular. On the West Coast, there's a lot more people who play men's volleyball versus the East Coast where I'm at, and it's just now coming around. But volleyball, once again, is not gender specific at all. Anybody can play. Anybody can play. If you can teach your dog, he can play too. If he can get the ball up, you send me that video. Number three, volleyball ends after high school. This is the biggest lie ever. Ever. And you know what? For a long time, I even believed that. When I was a senior in high school, when I finally was getting like my volleyball groove on, it was finally coming to me and I was like, yeah, I'm getting my spiking good together. I can finally do it. I know rotation, I'm doing it. I had a coach come to me and sit me all of us down before our last tournament game. He said,
this will be some of the last time you guys ever play volleyball.
And my face was just
you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I couldn't stop playing then. I just got in the groove. I just started learning how to spike. I just got my footwork. I just really felt integrated into a team. So there was no way. So then after speaking to some girls when I was looking to go apply to college, they let me know about clubs. And I can make a whole nother video on other options of volleyball other than collegiate. Because there are so many, guys. 25 years old and I still play a lot. If you guys don't watch my vlogs, I still play a lot. Number four, spiking the ball really hard means you're good. No, it doesn't. So one of the things that I see a lot in recreational and upper level volleyball is that people will spike the ball really hard and go, whoa, yeah, I'm a volleyball champ. But that is the furthest from the truth. In my own personal perception and some other coaches' in my own personal perception and other coaches' perception, anybody can spike the ball really hard. Anybody can learn to spike the ball really hard. But somebody who is talented and with skill can control their spike. So in a lot of vlogs, you guys notice that I don't spike all the time. Does that mean I can't? No, I can, certainly so. But if there's a better option, I'm gonna play much more strategically than I'm going to sit there and just spike the ball and hammer on people. And there's a thing called tact. So if I'm playing against a team who is kind of new, maybe intermediate, am I gonna spike the ball increasingly hard with flames on it to somebody who's never passed a volleyball in their life? No, that's not fair to them. That's not cool of me because we were all that beginner. I would have been so scared and may have never come back if somebody was sitting there eating me alive and it was my first couple of times even playing volleyball. So it's all about that tact though. Number 5, diving on the ground means that you are a great volleyball player. Not at all, honey. So a lot of the times I see back row players who everything, they on the ground. I'm running, I'm on the ground. I'm running, I'm on the ground. Get to the ball before get to the ground. That means that you need to move your feet faster, you need to shuffle faster, you need to get in place faster, because there is no reason why every single ball you pancaking, every single ball you're up here trying to hardcore dive, get there and shuffle and move your feet. Whilst it may make you look cool, it's not gonna save your knees, because listen, synovial fluid in your knees don't come back, baby. It just doesn't come back, okay? And number 6, lastly, volleyball is an easy sport to play. No. But that's also based on perception. Volleyball is a game of so much strategy. It is a game that is filled with so much teamwork, and it's a game that is filled with literally like so much joy. To play volleyball, you really have to be able to interact with other people well. You have to be able to absorb strategy, drill plans, lessons, and then you have to be able to apply that in a very high, fast-paced game. So a lot of people who are looking from the outside in, which is what a lot of these myths are, looking from the outside in, they think, oh, volleyball's easy. All she's doing is bumping it with her forearms and then picking it up like this and then hitting it over the net, and then that's it, game over, that's it. So if you notice, a lot of these perceptions I think is about men's volleyball, because if you watch men's volleyball, a lot of it is bump set, whoosh, spike kill, bump set, whoosh, spike kill. And in women's, you see a lot longer rallies. That's because women play volleyball a little bit on the more defensive side, but men's is a more offensive strategy and approach. But that doesn't mean that volleyball is easy in any regard. So sometimes when you're playing, or if you're playing recreational like the level I'm playing right now, you'll see people who are just naturally athletic. There'll always be that one basketball player that comes out and is just killing people, right? But then you notice all he can do is hit. You'll see that one soccer player who's really good at getting the ball up. Because sometimes natural athletes can really translate their skills over, but that still doesn't mean volleyball is easy. So don't let anybody discredit the sport you love at all. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my t-shirts. They are so cute, and it is almost time for Christmas, and I would love to see you guys wearing more of my shirts. They are so cute, y'all. I have mine, I wear it all the time. But go ahead and get you one, and I will see you guys next time.